Hey, hello, welcome to Uncle Al's Barbecue. I hadn't made a video in a while because I hadn't been smoking in a while. So let me show you what I'm doing today, and I hope this makes you excited. Oh man, I broke my kitchen door. All right, today I got some kosher salt, black pepper, Memphis seasoning rub, onion powder, Mr. Malcolm there, Lone Star brisket rub, and garlic powder. And what we is doing today, which was by accident, so roll on out here, head on up here to this here smoker here. I've been trying to run between 250 and 300. It got really hot today. A front came in, so it's 90, humid. The wood's burning real fast. So let's check out what we got. Bam! Pork shoulder bone in, man. So I've never done one of these, and these little hatch marks is rookie mistake. I forgot how tall it was. The brisket won't hit, but this did hit. She's been on there about 3 hours right now. It's been up to 350 at one point, a little high, getting us a little puddle on there. She's looking good, and let's check out the wood box. It's running hot. I'm gonna let it smolder down, throw some more wood on there. The smoker is running hot today, so there we are. I've never done one of these before. I figure I'm gonna smoke it for, put it on at 12:30. It's almost 3:30 now. I think I'll let her roll another 3 or 4 hours, wrap it tight, and try and finish her in the oven. So what do you think, huh? Got some bark going on there. Never done no pork butt, pork shoulder. And today we are smoking with pecan wood and Kingsford as always. Alright, I'll give you an update later on when she's finished and we rip her apart.